Hey there! We've been working on a ton of powerful new features over the past couple weeks, but I just wanted to highlight three new things that I think are particularly interesting. So our apps now have a much more modern design, they have a much better user customization experience, and when you're building or managing your app, you can now actually create completely custom portals. So if you've already built an app with us, you'll see these improvements rolled out to your app pretty soon. And if you haven't yet built an app with us, please reach out to me to get on our waitlist if you're interested. So the first improvement you'll notice here is our sleek new user interface. And this is especially apparent when you compare it to how our apps used to look previously, which is this screenshot over here. So as you can see, we've upgraded our styling to match the latest design trends. We dropped the wireframe borders and made it look a lot more like Material UI, where you can actually feel the components on the screen. So I think it looks a lot more kind of playful and engaging. The second thing that's way cooler now is our new way for users to customize their home screens. So there's a huge benefit in having a mobile app rather than just a mobile-friendly website if every user is able to customize their own experience based on what they personally care about most. With our new designs, customizing your app is as intuitive as customizing your phone's home screen. To do so, you can just go up to this Customize button, and then you get a zoomed-out view of all of your portals. You can then rearrange these based on what you care about most, or you can even just remove the ones that you don't care about. You can also browse the list of all the portals there are to be able to add new ones that you want. The last feature I mentioned is actually the one that I'm personally most excited about. So if you're the creator of the app or an administrator of your organization, then you now have the ability to build and edit completely custom portals within your app. So I'll show you how this works. If we go into Contact Us, then up here, you'll see this lightning bolt icon. Anywhere you see this lightning bolt icon indicates a superpower that you only have access to if you're an administrator of your organization. So if we click this lightning bolt, then we can start editing the content of this portal. And this gives you the ultimate app building experience. So creating a mobile app no longer takes months of coding. You can now do it entirely from your phone just by tapping a few buttons. And as you're editing it, you can understand exactly what it feels like to your users. So let's go ahead and add some text here to help guide someone who's trying to contact us. You can put it there. And let's add an email button too. It's just as easy as pressing buttons. We can change the size easily. We can change the text up here if we want. And let's put in our email address at Seabird Apps. You can also easily delete items if you don't want them, or rearrange them to be in a different order. And that's it. Once we save this, these changes will go live for all of my users. All right, that's all I've got, and thanks for watching this far. If you want to learn more, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is sean@seabirdapps.com, and our website is seabirdapps.com, so feel free to learn more there.